and welcome to today's phonics session. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready to start the day really well with your phonics. So let's see how super we can be today. So we've got a new sound again. It's another set 2 sound and it's a little bit similar to the one we learnt on Friday. So it looks the same, but it sounds different. So let's have a look. Are you ready? So it looks a bit like the oo sound, but it's not the oo sound, it's the oh. Can you say oh? Excellent. And it's got 2 little eyes because we're looking. Okay. So this bit is look at a book. Look at a book. Do you think we can have a go at this one? Right, let's see super quick. When we say this side, we say oh, and this side we say look at a book. Are you ready? Look at a book. Oh. 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 Look at a book. Look at a book. Look at a book. Oh, well done. Excellent. Give yourselves a pat back. Now, I'm going to put it in my sound pack. I'm going to mix it up, okay? What's this sound? A. Nk. Sh. Ch. G. P. S. A. I. H. Oh. Point at it. Oh, 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 look at a book. Z. X. Oo. I. E. A. And back to nk. Excellent. Give yourselves a round of applause. Well done. Well done. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to look at our new sound and we're going to look at the words we have going to learn today for our new sound. So let's see. Okay, so remember, oh, this one. Let's have a see. And remember, if you say b-ook, book, okay, it sounds that it's the same as b-ook, book. Okay, it doesn't matter with that one, but some of them it does matter. Okay, so you need to make sure that it's the right way round. Okay, so you can try and guess, and sometimes you might get it a bit wrong, and that's okay because we're all here to learn. Okay, so we know this one now. So 3 sounds: b-ook, b-ook, book, book. Cook, cook. T-ook, took, took. This one. Ut, foot, foot. Shook, shook. Look, look. Look at me. And back to book. So let's have a go. Let's get speedy this time. I'm going to mix them up. Let's see how fast we can be. Are you ready? Cook. Took. Foot. look, book, shook, and back to cook. Well done. Give yourselves a pat on the back again. Well done. Okay, let's move on to our writing bit after we've done our red word. So let's have a see. So I've got a new red word for today, and this one is me. Can you say me? Me. Let's have a look through them all, okay? Me. I. My. The. Was. Into. Go. No. To. We. She. He. Fantastic. Okay, time for our writing. Let's see. Okay, so we are going to write, I can look at a cookbook. I can look at a cookbook. 7 words. I think we can do that one, don't you? Let's have a good go. So, I can look. Let's start with that. So, I. Remember, capital letter. I can. Remember, pause if you need to. If you're not sure and you're thinking, I, finger space, can. I can look. No, it's the yeah. And it's, yeah. K. I can look. Look. I can look at. At, 2 sounds in at. I can look at a easy peasy cookbook. Cook. Book. I can look at a cookbook. 1, 2, 3 words with the sound, and not forgetting our full stop. Now I wonder if you can have a go at writing that sentence on your own, or if you would like to pick a different word with the sound that you can write in today in your home learning books. That you're going to do a fantastic job, and I'm really proud of all the work you're doing, and hopefully we will have a fantastic week of doing our super learning at home. So take care and have a super day.